Where we are, student bathroom, classroom function, Mark's lock, Mark's classroom function lock, and even though it works, you can get in and out. The spring pack went bad over here. Oh, it was about a 5-minute job. I mean, stop and set it up for a review or to film it. Let's get started. Same place. That's a lot. I always just open it up, take everything out. Everything out of the box. Until I start taking it apart. Let me stop this and set that better. All the instructions come with it for installation. You have a template to drill holes. There's already a lock here. Don't need to do that. That's the latch out. Let's turn my sights and take this apart. Already taking the handles off. This cover off. This is the hard part. Hard part on bathroom locks because of the leaks and cleaning supply. And they paint the doors. How corroded it is. Phillips screwdriver, put it in there, turn it counterclockwise until it retracts the latch. See the retracted? And pull it out slightly while pushing this in. The handle comes down. What you need. Put the cylinder back in. And cylinder's back in the handle. Here's the tough part. Put the key in. Turn it just, you put the key in, turn it slightly counterclockwise. Doesn't matter if it was a lock with the doors on the other side. Counterclockwise a little bit. And as it's going on, just keep turning a little more counterclockwise until it goes in, and it retracts the latch again. Turn it 360 degrees, and it's unlocked. Double check it. 360 degrees, lock. Want to leave it locked all the time, just turn it counterclockwise. So it stops, it retracts the latch, and it's still locked.